Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Just Tink, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for all the love and support you guys is giving me. But today we're gonna make some smothered chicken, something slight and something easy, and something real delicious. So we're gonna start off by putting a little Crisco cooking oil at the bottom of the pan, and we're gonna add some sugar in that so that we can caramelize the chicken. It's gonna be extra delicious or whatever. And this time, guys, I didn't put any seasoning on my chicken before I start cooking it. But it's totally okay. You can still season your chicken while it's in the pan. This right here is a quick and easy meal when you just don't feel like cooking, but you want something comforting to your tummy. This is the meal for that. So basically, I just put, like I said, I put some oil and some sugar. I'm about to put my chicken in the pan. Oh, y'all, I got this chicken from Aldi's. The frozen chicken wings in a bag, you get about 30 pieces, and it's about $10 a bag. The chicken tastes so good, y'all. So clean, and that's the way I like my chicken. But yeah, so your girl proceeded to put the chicken in the pan, as y'all see. Right now, I'm about to put some seasoning on it. You can use whatever seasoning that you have in your cabinet. You do not have to use the seasoning that I use. I just choose to use those particular seasonings, but you don't have to. But I basically use like seasoned salt, garlic powder, complete seasoning, some onion flakes, stuff like that. But like I said, you can just use whatever's in your cabinet, whatever you use to flavor your food. And I also use 2 packs of gravy mix. Now with the gravy mix, you can either make your own gravy mix, or you can buy the kind that it's like at Walmart and stuff that's in the package. You can buy that. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch the video, and thank you for always watching. And please make some smothered chicken and let me see how yours came out. Oh yeah, we topped that smothered chicken with some rice. So just some plain white rice, and I put a little chicken seasoning in it. All right, thank you. Enjoy the video.
Have seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Oh, what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave this. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. Now, so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, excuse me, miss. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. And I think I'll say, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me go more clear. You're trying to leave this. How I love to keep you here with me, yo, baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be where you are. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you can understand, y'all will make your hands like this. Make the bounce like this. want to, man.
She looks like the girl of mine. Yeah.